Hi, this is Ram Gopal Verma, Chartered Accountant, Insurance Surveyor. Today we want to discuss one case where loss has taken place not due to burglary or by an outsider or theft by an outsider. It is because of loss due to by an insider. That is to say, the staff has stolen the stock or the guard has stolen the stock. In the morning when you come, you find out that the store in charge is missing and he has stolen the stock and vanished with the stock. Or the guard who has stolen the stock is vanished and he brought a truck and in connivance with other people, he has stolen the stock and the guard is missing. Now many times such an incident do take place and in case of a burglary or a theft, and a normal person would do what? You go to the police, lodge an FIR and give it to the insurance company, sir, this is a FIR, my burglary or theft has taken place. Now when the insurance company says that, we have given you coverage for theft or burglary which can be done by an outsider or third party. We don't cover any theft or burglary by an insider, that is by your employee or guard who has got a legal right, who is officially can be inside your premises. Suppose your storekeeper or guard at night, you are keeping okay, fine, please take care of all the goods. You are living, so lock and key, everything is with you, or even if the lock and key is not there with you, you are inside the premises. What if the guard turns at night his mood and joins hands with some other criminals, brings a truck and steals all the goods? In such a case, insurance company will say, look, it is a loss due to infidelity. It is not a loss due to burglary by an outsider. Infidelity by an insider we don't cover. Normally in case of a stock loss, insurance companies does not cover a loss by an insider. That is, in such a case the section applied would be say 406, 7, 8, 9, that will be the section for infidelity. Infidelity is not covered under the burglary policy. Now, similar incident can take place in case of, for example, cash has been stolen by the cashier. Now, lot of time insurance companies they give a coverage for infidelity by staff. In such a case, you have to take an additional coverage from the insurance company that cash lost by outsider as well as by an insider. Cashier can become a thief at some time. He can work out with the cash. Fine. In such a case, you have to pay additional premium, get a coverage for cash lost by an insider also. So infidelity will be covered in case of a cash loss. So insurance company can consider, provided you have taken a coverage for cash loss by an insider. That is, infidelity is covered in the policy. So you'll have to make very sure that a case of infidelity takes place. In such a case, who is responsible for the theft, whether the insured or the insurance company. If the insurance company is not responsible, they have not given you policy for infidelity, forget it, insurance company is not going to entertain the claim. Now a third possibility comes, what if a pilferage has taken place? The loss has taken place over a period of time. At the time of stock taking or sometime it was discovered, okay, the goods were so heavy and all that, one can carry maximum one piece at a time or two pieces at a time, and lot of burglary took place over a period of time. Insurance company says, look, for such losses, we are not responsible. Because no lock has been broken, no nothing, and maybe loss has been discovered at a point of time when some burglary really took place. But this so much of stock could not have been stolen by the burglar. It is a case of pilferage over a period of time, maybe year, 2 years, 6 months, 1 year, or whatever it is. In such a case, pilferage of stock is not covered in the policy. Because this loss has been discovered at the time of stock taking or some point of time, and such a loss, insurance company says there is no forcible entry, no nothing, we don't cover such a claim. So these things are very important for an insured to know in advance what type of risk he wants to place with the insurance company, what type of risk he wants to own himself. And he has to differentiate between loss due to infidelity, loss due to burglary, loss due to theft. He has to be very clear, which you have explained in the various videos and the YouTube, that one should know across the country. The rules of the game of insurance are common across the country. There is no difference between the maybe north, south, east, west, Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Madras. No difference. The rules of the game are common for all insurance companies. So one has to know very clearly what I am covering, what I am not covering. Thank you very much. Today we discuss about infidelity, which you have covered in this book, Insurance Be Secure book, also written by me. And this book can be accessed on the various sites where I have uploaded as ebook. Thank you very much. This is Ram Gopal Verma. Thank you.